Our next problem is the function x plus 1 by x is decreasing in the interval. So your given function f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x. Find the derivative. F dash of x is equal to derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So we need decreasing. Decreasing means f dash of x less than or is equal to 0, that is 1 minus 1 by x square less than or is equal to 0. 1 less than or equal to 1 by x square, that is x square less than or is equal to 1. X square minus 1 less than or is equal to 0, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1 less than or is equal to 0. So less than or equal to 0 means lies between the roots. Here roots are minus 1 and 1, that is minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1, that is x belongs to minus 1 to 1 is the interval in which the given function is decreasing. Our next problem is the function 1 by 1 plus x square is decreasing in. Here given f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Find the derivative f dash of x is equal to, so it is in the form of 1 by x, that is its derivative is minus 1 by x square, that is minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So that is equal to minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. So we need the decreasing, that is f dash of x less than or is equal to 0 implies minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square less than or is equal to 0. Here denominator is always positive, so we can cancel it. 2x less than or is equal to 0. Here minus is there, so if you multiply by minus, inequality will change. X greater than or equal to 0. Therefore x belongs to 0 to infinity, the interval in which the given function is decreasing. The function x minus 2 by x plus 1 is increasing in the interval. Here given function f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x plus 1. Find the derivative f dash of x is equal to, here apply division rule, x plus 1 into derivative of x minus 2 is 1 minus x minus 2 into derivative of x plus 1 is 1 by x plus 1 whole square. This is x plus 1 minus x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Here x gets cancelled, that is 3 by x plus 1 whole square. So observe here numerator is positive and denominator is x plus 1 whole square, always positive. Here f dash of x greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. So therefore f of x is increasing in the interval R means minus infinity to infinity. Our next problem is the function f of x is equal to minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1 is decreasing in. Here given function f of x is equal to minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. Find the derivative f dash of x is equal to minus 2 into derivative of x cube is 3x square, that is minus 6x square, this is minus 18x minus 12. Here we need decreasing implies f dash of x less than or is equal to 0, that is minus 6x square minus 18x minus 12 less than or equal to 0. Take minus 6 common, So it will be x square plus 3x plus 2 less than or is equal to 0. Multiply by here minus 6, that is x square plus 3x plus 2. Here inequality will change, that is greater than or is equal to 0. Factorize, this is x plus 2 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So x lies outside the roots. Here roots are minus 2 and minus 1. X less than or equal to minus 2 or x greater than or is equal to minus 1. So that is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 1 to infinity is the interval in which the given f of x is decreases. Our next problem is f of x is equal to x cube minus 27x plus 5 is increasing in the interval. Here given f of x is equal to x cube minus 27x plus 5. F dash of x is equal to, find the derivative. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of 27x is 27. Here we need f of x is increasing interval, that is f dash of x greater than or is equal to 0, that is 3x square minus 27 greater than or is equal to 0. Take 3 common, x square minus 9 greater than or is equal to 0. So that is x square minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Factorize, this is x plus 3 into x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means x lies outside the roots. Roots are minus 3 comma 3. X less than or equal to minus 3 or x greater than or is equal to 3. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 union 3 to infinity is the interval in which the given f of x is increases. Next problem is find the intervals in which f of x is equal to x square increases or decreases. Increases comma decreases. Here given f of x is equal to x square, find the derivative. F dash of x is equal to 2x. First we need the interval in which it increases, implies f dash of x greater than or is equal to 0, implies 2x greater than or equal to 0, implies x greater than or equal to 0. X belongs to 0 to infinity. F of x increases. Similarly, f dash of x less than or equal to 0 implies 2x less than or is equal to 0, that is x less than or is equal to 0. X belongs to minus infinity to 0 in which the f of x decreases. Our next problem is f of x is equal to log x by x is increases or decreases in. So that is here given f of x is equal to log x by x, find f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to, this is in the form of u by v, apply division rule. X into derivative of log x is 1 by x minus log x into derivative of x is 1, so that is by x square. So that is equal to x gets cancelled, 1 minus log x by x square. So for increasing we need f dash of x greater than or is equal to 0, implies 1 minus log x by x square greater than or is equal to 0. X square is always positive, so this is 1 minus log x greater than or is equal to 0. So this is 1 greater than log x, that is log x less than or equal to 1. Log x less than or is equal to log e. If you remove log, this is x less than or equal to e. X belongs to minus infinity to e, the interval in which f of x increases. Similarly, f dash of x less than or equal to 0, we will get log x greater than or equal to log e, that is x greater than or is equal to e. X belongs to e to infinity, the interval in which f of x decreases. Next problem is f of x is equal to root of 25 minus 4x square is increases or decreases in. Here f of x is equal to root of 25 minus 4x square. First find its domain in which the f of x is defined. Here f of x is defined when 25 minus 4x square greater than or is equal to 0, that is 4x square minus 25 less than or equal to 0, that is 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 5 less than or is equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 means x lies between the roots are minus 5 by 2 and plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 by 2, that is x belongs to minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. So this is the interval in which f of x is defined. Next we need find f dash of x. This is in the form of root x, so its derivative is 1 by 2 root x into derivative of 25 is 0 minus derivative of 4x is square is 8x. This is minus 8x. 2 gets cancelled, 2 4s are minus 4x by root of 25 minus 4x square. Now f dash of x greater than or equal to 0 implies minus 4x by root of 25 minus 4x square greater than or is equal to 0. Your denominator is always positive, implies 4 minus 4x greater than or equal to 0. You remove minus, x inequality will change as x less than or equal to 0. But we already have the interval x belongs to only these values, and we have x less than or equal to 0. Therefore here from 1 and 2 x belongs to minus 5 by 2 to 0, in which f of x increases. Similarly, f dash of x less than or equal to 0, so that is minus 4x by root of 25 minus 4x square less than or equal to 0. Here minus 4x less than or equal to 0 implies x greater than or equal to 0. If I remove minus, inequality changes. So this is 3. So from 1 and 3 we have x belongs to 0 to 5 by 2, in which the f of x decreases. Our next problem is f of x is equal to x power x is increases or decreases in. F of x is equal to x power x, find its derivative. So you see this in the form of f of x or g of x u power v. So use logarithmic differentiation. So let us take u is equal to x power x, log u is equal to log of x power x, log u is equal to x into log x, find the derivative, differentiate with respect to x. 1 by u into du by dx is equal to x into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. This is du by dx is equal to u into 1 plus log x. that is x power x into 1 plus log x. So du by dx means that is same as f dash of x, implies f dash of x is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. Now we need increasing f of dash of x greater than or equal to 0 implies x power x into 1 plus log x greater than or equal to 0. Here x power x, so x is always positive. So here no x power x is always positive. Here 1 plus log x greater than or is equal to 0, log x greater than or is equal to 1 minus 1, sorry. So that is log x greater than or equal to minus 1 means we can write it as log 1 by e. Therefore x greater than or is equal to 1 by e, that is x belongs to 1 by e to infinity is the interval in which f of x increases. Similarly f dash of x less than or is equal to 0. Here we will get to x less than or is equal to 1 by e. This is x belongs to minus infinity to open bracket 1 by e, in which f of x decreases. Our next problem is show that sin x less than x in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So to prove this, we take f of x is equal to sin x minus x, find the derivative. F dash of x is equal to derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of x is 1. So we know that cos x always lies between minus 1 and 1. We know that. So here observe here cos x minus 1 less than or is equal to 0 for all x. Okay, therefore in x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 also, cos x minus 1 less than or is equal to less than 0, because cos x will be 1 only when x is equal to 0. Here open bracket is there, so it is always less than 0 for the given values. That is f dash of x less than 0. F dash of x less than 0 means f of x is increasing or decreasing, sorry, f dash of x less than means slope is negative. F of x is decreasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So that is decreasing means, let us take two values, that is here x greater than 0. Decreasing means when I apply f of x less than f of 0. Okay, values will be decreasing. F of x is sin x minus x, f of 0 means sin 0 minus 0, that is sin x minus x less than 0, sin x less than x. Our next problem is show that tan x less than x in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Here let us take f of x is equal to tan x minus x. Find the derivative. F dash of x is equal to derivative of tan x is secant square x minus 1. We know that secant x always greater than or is equal to 1. Here secant square x always greater than or equal to 1. Secant square x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R here. Here in x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, secant x is always greater than 1. Secant 0 1. So secant square x greater than or equal to 1, greater than 1, secant square x minus 1 greater than 0. That is f dash of x greater than 0 implies f of x is increasing in the given interval x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, that is x greater than 0 means f of x greater than f of 0. F of x means tan x minus x greater than f of 0 is tan 0 minus 0. That is tan x minus x greater than 0. That is tan x greater than or equal to x in x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Okay.